The year is 2086. In the dimly lit isolation chamber lies Ava, a 46-year-old biocare engineer. The once optimistic woman now lies frail, surrounded by the melancholic hum of machinery. A stark contrast to the bustling world that once existed beyond these walls. With no witness save the security feed streaming to a nearby monitor, she takes her final breath. In the distance, cockroaches celebrate as the now dominant species on Earth. So, how did we get here? In the beginning, there was nothing but an infinitesimal, unimaginably dense point, a singularity. Then, in an eruption of incomprehensible energy, the Big Bang occurred. Among the countless galaxies and stars born from this primordial fireball, our solar system took shape. 4.5 billion years ago, a cloud of dust and gas coalesced into the fledgling Earth. Molten and turbulent, our planet gradually cooled, and life, against all odds, found its foothold in the deep oceans. Okay, so let's slow down a little bit. The year is 3.5 billion years BC. You've decided to spend a nice day at the beach. Remember to pack some sunblock, as it's a refreshing 73 degrees Celsius. What's more, there's no ozone layer, so instead of a relaxing day marveling at a blue ocean, you would be suffocating beside a chemical-rich, greenish mess while turning into the Human Torch. Not exactly a fun-filled day for the whole family. That is, of course, unless you are a cozy family of Cyanobacteria, some of Earth's oldest photosynthetic organisms, which is a fancy way of saying tiny stuff that really enjoyed sunbathing. They were essential in the oxygenation of the atmosphere, much like coffee on a Monday morning when the overly friendly HR manager named Linda rants about how her chihuahuas are in fact children. Eventually, cyanobacteria spread across the Earth quicker than a rumor at a family dinner on "Who exactly did your uncle bring back from his trip to Asia?" I mean, seriously, it's only been, 1 month since the divorce, and Aunt Shirley is a mess. Cyanobacteria did, however, form something called stromatolites. These layered structures formed through the trapping and binding of sediment particles by microorganisms, essentially creating the classiest of apartment buildings for bacteria. This would eventually lead to the oxygenation of Earth's atmosphere, which, by all accounts, was a pretty big deal.